Hey guys, today I'm going to make a video with my brother. His name is Nathan. I will be telling you about the animals in their habitats. Well, actually, I'll be putting them in their habitats. This one, I'll tell you the names right now. This one is Chocolate. She's a brown horse. Very pretty and cute. This is Poe. It's a pig from Moana that I got at the store because I begged my mom a lot. And I said that I would pay for it with my own money, and I did. This is Snapper, my pretty wolf. They actually transform into bears. Mine is a polar bear. My brother only has two animals, and this is one. It's an alligator, and it turns into a pink bear, which is Boo Boo Bear. It's actually red. Oh, who cares? Okay, so that's Snaps. This one is Hunter. This is Wise. This is Slick, the little cute fox with the big pink eyes. This one is Hopper. This is Hollywood. And this is Blue because Blue reminds me of my neighbor in Newport because their dog was a golden retriever, and they had a dog named Blue. So these are the habitats. The nighttime grass is a towel. That's all we had. This is the grassy biomes. This is the muddy areas. And that right there is the branch. Probably not enough light for you guys to see. So first we're going to go to Chocolate. Right? She will be going into the grassy biomes. Poe right here, you put him in, will be going to the muddy areas.
Where's your brush at, sorry?
I don't know. This is Snapper. He will be going into the nighttime grasslands. Wrong way. And then Snaps will be going into the nighttime grass area. They're best buds too, even though Hunter right here will also be going into the nighttime grass area. Here, Wise will be going to the branch. See? Probably can't see. Yeah, right there. No, still can't see. Okay. So Slick here will also be going to the branch because, as well as you guys probably know, some foxes can climb trees. Here, let me get that. Hold on, take the phone. Face it like that. Careful, don't click on it. Okay, let me just put Slick up here. Can I hold it, please? So, Hopper right here, the beautiful bunny, will be going in the grasslands with the horse. As you know, they're kind of fenced in, but there's no fence. It's imagination. Okay, our pet moose right here, Hollywood, will be going into the grasslands as well. And then Blue, my buddy, will be going into the mudlands with Poe. Also because dogs also like to be in mud. And some are herd dogs, which can herd which could herd sheep.
Yak.
No.
Some bulls and yaks.
And pigs if they wanted to, or if they were trained to. And that's pretty much it for today.
They also herd yaks. Which is real.
Well, okay, they can herd yaks, okay? Okay. So, that's going to be all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Any suggestions, leave down in the section below.
And subscribe.
Also comment what we should do in the next episode. Bye.
See ya.